a lot of lotus and clear water. Let's go and find some fish.
Yeah, I hope so. Okay, take off your shoe.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, we go. I hope we got a lot today.
Yes.
Then our family will be
Happy.
happy, especially our younger sister. We try to check more.
Yes.
Oh, I think see something. Oh, look at this.
Oh, fish.
The codfish.
The
No,
fish.
it's Betta fish. Wow. Here, use your hand. Use your hand.
I put
Your
another
both hand. Your both hand.
Wow.
I see. Wow, the color very nice.
Yes.
Up. Again.
Yes.
Up.
Yes.
Got it.
Let's go.
Okay. Cool. Continue.
Oh, fish.
Wow. Wow, look at the color.
Wow. I knew it. I saw something. Hold it. Wow,
Yeah.
beautiful color.
Remove the
Plastic.
dust. Yeah. Okay. I see.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's go in front.
Yeah. Continue.
Oh, a koi.
The koi.
Yeah, koi. I
Red
think
one.
red or orange.
Orange. This one is too fast.
I will catch it with my hand still.
Can I see? Wow. Okay.
Very nice.
Oh, I cannot wait to see this. Oh, I found one more here. Here.
Oh,
The white one.
White koi.
Wow, it's the same size, right?
Yeah. But it's different color.
Yeah, different color. This one too fast.
Too fast.
So fast. Okay. Clip it.
Yes.
Sorry. Wow. Okay. Come on.
Oh, wow. Very
Wow.
big.
The white one. It's very popular.
Oh, sweet tail.
See them?
A sweet tail fish.
Where? I got it. Can I see?
Orange and black.
Wow. Look at the color. I never see this one.
Yeah. Wow, I only see the red and orange
Yes.
and black. But this is orange and
Oh, this
black.
one's so nice. Wow. Oh, so beautiful. Wait. Come on. Wow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, we got it.
Already?
Oh, another koi.
Where?
Here's the deep part.
I got it.
Yes.
It's a color like the sweet tail also, huh?
Yeah, like the sweet tail.
But this one is a
koi.
this one is like the sweet color. It's a orange, gold, and black.
Yeah.
Orange, gold, and black. Okay, come on, put it.
Oh my god.
Need to clean it a little bit. Here, the bottom.
This is so strong.
Yeah. Okay, put it quick.
Yes.
Wow. Got it. Wow. Okay.
Oh,
see
big
it?
fish.
Where? Wow, it's like the
Yeah.
this is the color.
Camouflage.
Yeah. But the color like the mood, so I cannot see it.
Oh, where's it? Oh, here. So fast. Let's try this. Oh my god.
It's so fast, you think? You got it? You got
Yes,
it?
yes.
Hold
I
it,
got
hold
it.
it.
I got it.
Yeah, we got it right now. Okay,
Let's take the can.
take it here, take it here. Yeah. Okay, take it and put it there.
Oh my god.
Wow, the gecko. Where? I check. Let me check the gecko. Yeah. Ah, here the koi fish.
Yeah, a golden.
The koi fish.
Golden crawfish.
Use your net, use your net.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Clean it a
Clean
bit, clean it. Okay, like that, like that. Like that, like that. Okay, can I see? Wow. Look at the color, very nice.
Yes.
Okay, put it. Wow.
Let's check over here.
Ah, here. It's a better one.
Betta fish.
Yeah.
Let's catch it.
What color is it?
I think it's blue.
Blue. It's a light blue.
No, like purple.
Can I see? Wow, so beautiful this one. Okay, put it.
Yes. I think I see something here.
Where? What about?
Oh, okay, go fish.
Okay, okay. Be careful. This one so fast.
I got it.
You got it?
Yes. Here.
Where? Can I see? Wow. Wow. Wait, I see it a little bit. Ah, can we see? No, just put it down, a little bit. I cannot see. Yeah. Hold it up, hold it up. Yeah, here, I got it. Yeah, mister. We found it there.
We found a gecko
Yeah,
fish.
okay. Hold it. Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Wow. Okay. We are so lucky today, yeah?
Yes.
We got a lot of fish here. A gecko, a koi, a betta, and what's one more? It's a three-tailed fish.
Yeah.
It's a very nice color, huh? Black and gold. Okay, I think it's enough today, and we got a lot. Okay, we can go back home. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you hold it. Okay, be careful. Okay. Yeah, see that right? Okay. Wow, amazing. Wow, we are so lucky today. I cannot wait to see this. We can try one more day later. This way. Yeah, okay. Can I hold? I hold it. Then we walk. Okay.
Yes.
Yep. Wow. So amazing. Okay. Up. So lucky. Up. Okay. Here, hold it.
Yes.
Okay, go. Continue. Wow.